today we are here in Los Angeles at TSK to meet the wizards that can do anything you would want to a Tesla. Repairing them, fixing the battery packs, converting them, upgrading them, changing the whole suspension from one model to another. They do it. They even chop them in half and build something completely different out of a perfectly running Tesla. So let's check them out. Hi Bogdan, thank you for having us today at TSK Los Angeles. We are going to do the full tour of the business. So the body styling, the modification of the car, the repair.
It should be full tour for American part of our business actually. Because like we are from Europe and like biggest part of our business still in Europe.
Okay.
But what we can see there, it's our first very complicated project. So a lot of new parts in this car we have. It's actually Model 3 and we built this car just because of Cybertruck.
Okay.
Like, yeah. So just because of Cybertruck, we have idea to build something like more aggressive,
okay,
not like a standard Model 3, and actually this car like this body kit 3 years old. We have two ways of modification like that. So one way, if you are using car just on a track,
yes,
in this way you need to use coilovers, you need to use extra pump for cooling and a lot of other features like condenser, extra condenser, and other feature to make your car faster. And of course you don't need like interior like we have there with leather, Napa, and extra silent insulation, because here we have second time of how you can use Cyber3 body kit. Is like Street Fighter. So daily car, which looks like car with 600 horsepower, because
yes,
this car have 580 horsepower on the board, and with air suspension, with extra silent insulation, and with nice leather inside and everything like that.
How do you get extra power on the Model 3?
It's like, I think it's miracle.
Okay.
I think
know you have some trade secrets,
I think it's just because of update. Maybe Elon find us
okay,
on a map and send update directly to this car.
Yeah.
It's possible. Why not? So what we have there? We have I think 16 new pieces. So it's carbon, fiberglass, and and everything what you see and it looks like carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It's actually carbon fiber.
Okay.
Everything like. Without carbon, it's fiberglass.
Okay.
So I don't like fakes. I like when carbon looks like carbon, and I don't like filming like carbon and everything like that. That's why our front end without any fake holes. So this specific hole, yeah, it's dusty a little bit. Yeah. This specific hole for extra radiator, for extra condenser.
Okay.
Yeah, condenser is like a right word. And this hole for brake cooling. Everything else, all other, it's just for aerodynamic. So what we have here?
What do we have here? It looks like a brand new Model S.
Yes, it's brand new for us.
Okay.
So we just install body kit. It's like our white body for Model S, and we have same body for Model S plate. It's one of 50 body kit. It's a lot
But let's go back a little bit about the story about this car and the owner. It's not just a body kit you added on.
Yeah, look, every single, you see like a lot of cars here, and every single car had some story.
Yes.
So and this car of course too. Our task from the beginning, I will try to make this story shortly. So our task from the beginning was to make cheapest possible car, but with maximum range.
Okay.
For our customer. But when we start like this process, so he ordered this car to us. We found this car, we fixed this car. So this car was with rear damage. We changed quarter panel, and later he spoke with us a lot, and his idea. He changed his mind actually about this car, and just because I filmed this car, I changed wheels for this car, and his idea was to make this car wilder and use our body kit. So this project goes slowly from cheapest made Model S with longer,
range, yeah.
with bigger range, to almost most expensive long range plus what we can buy now on the market. So when you are working with Tesla cars, when you can show Tesla cars with good side, with unusual side for customers, because he actually used before Tesla, but he used Tesla like Prius, like something like. But I showed how this car can be soft, how this car can be comfortable, how this car can give emotions. Because all other cars, what he used before, was not with very good quality. He tried to buy something cheaper on the market. And this car, it's like he's present himself, and it should be like that. So it's like all my car, my Tesla car is like a present for myself. So yeah, if we're talking about this body kit, so it's whole new fenders, whole new bumper, whole new hood. It's fiberglass hood too. Carbon fiber, new welder quarter panels,
arches,
and on the market, actually, we have a couple of competitors. Yeah, for example, Unplugged Performance making Model S wilder, but in our design, if you will take a look from the back, in our design we try to make this car a little bit more wilder. So this port and here we have exactly same size like Model X has.
Okay.
So we can use Model X suspension, and in this way we not so we don't make car just wilder with spacer or something like this.
It's actually wider.
It feels like normal car from factory, and bumper goes slowly goes to original size. So here is like here is same links like from factory. And in this way, we can show more wheel.
The wheel,
Yeah, and it's looks more like muscle car, and I very like this part of design. So it's our vision of Model S, because only one for now is only one really American muscle car, because it's really American, originally American, and it's really muscle car. It's not fake muscle car. It's not about just noise, dust, and everything like that. It's fast, powerful, and American. And very funny, because I explain this guy from Ukraine. Actually, but with this body kit, we try to show this. And first time we made body kit, this body kit.
Yes.
Almost 6 years ago, I think. Or
so yeah, we've seen this at SEMA a few years ago.
Yeah, I showed this car on SEMA, but much later. First time we showed this car on our festival. So it was a festival for electric car. We just had experience with pre-order design wide body kit, and we tried to make something better. Because pre-order design, for example, use like part of fender what we need install to original fender. And when you are cutting fender, so it's very very tiny aluminum fender. When you are cutting this part, fender feels like
it's flimsy.
And you need to use a lot of extra material to make fender like.
So it becomes heavier because of Bondo and
Bondo and exactly, and fender in this way much heavier than from standard. That's why, like with our experience, like much easier to use whole fiberglass fender, and that's it. So you don't need to cut something and to make something like that. And we try to use our Tesla experience to build something like what really we like. And it was first our wide body kit for Tesla cars.
And besides the body kit, do you offer any other upgrades, like performance, like options that were not already on the car when people buy them? Is that something that you do? Or?
We can do whatever you want. If it's about Tesla cars.
Okay, all right, that answers the question.
Whatever you want, like from a regular customization to unique projects. So any your idea we can complete.
I told you those guys could do anything to a Tesla. So if you like what you saw today, you know the drill. Give us a like and a subscribe. Always appreciated it. More importantly, tell us if you want to see more of those workshop tours, people repairing, fixing, upgrading electric cars and Teslas in particular. So let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.